I've got a quick time and money saving tip for you when it comes to plumbing. And it's all about fitting isolating valves. So what are they and what are they for? Well, I'm about to fit a new bath here with taps on. And if we look down here, this is the hot and cold feed and the waste. There's no isolating valves on here. So for me to be able to disconnect these, I've got to turn the stop tap off, which isolates the whole water to the house, so no bathrooms work, no kitchen water works. The hot tap, if you've got a header tank or a boiler in there with no gate valve on, you've got to drain that whole system. It's timely and it's costly. But if you're at this position and you're changing these and it's already been drained out, these are what you must fit. Really quick and easy to do, and they only cost a couple of pounds as well. You'll see it's got a little arrow pointing that way, so that wants the water to travel through it this way. It's also got a little screw head there where it's pointing that way, so the water travels through. When you turn it that way, it isolates it and turns it off. So if we look down here, you can see it's open, now it's closed. It's open and closed. So fitting them is simple. Undo them. Inside each nut, a little copper olive on there, and same again on the other side. So we'll take the both of these out for now. There it is here. Where our pipe is, make sure that that's clean, give it a little sand down if it needs it. Slide on the nut. Then we put the olive on, slide that inside the nut. Then take the valve itself, just double check that the arrow is pointing this way. Push that on and then start to tighten that up the best you can with your fingers to start with on the thread. Just holding this quite steady. That's as far as I can go now. And then your next pipe, whether it's coming up or going across there, I'll just do it that way for now so we can see it. We will slide on the nut again there, put the olive on, that'll go into here, and the same again. So the next stage, we want to hold that centre valve there and then start to tighten each one of these. Same in there. As tight as you can. Now that way, you can let go of this. They've both been wound on the thread nice and tight, and them olives underneath have expanded and created that a nice waterproof seal. But always remember where that little valve is, making sure you can, of course, get your screwdriver in it and turn it on and off. You don't want to have that right underneath where you can't get your screwdriver at it. And you can turn it on, and your water's going to run through. Turn it off to close it. So if you're looking for more bathroom tips, tap the playlist link above, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.